We have continuing coverage now. Tonight we are learning more about the recent burglary at a Benton gun store.
NBC6's Shirley Busico spoke with the Bossier Parish Sheriff about the heist.
We have a 12-hour rule around here, I like to say, and that's that from the time a crime is committed until we have them under arrest. I expect them arrested within 12 hours, and they cut this one close.
Celie Reed and Jessica Moore were arrested at their apartment in Alexandria 11 hours and 25 minutes after deputies say they cut through the roof of Guns and Ammo on Benton Road and bagged up 62 handguns and 1 rifle Sunday morning.
This ninja actually cut a hole in the roof ceiling of the building, lowered himself down, kind of hustled all the guns into one area there behind the counter, and then opened the door. Girlfriend meets him, they throw him in the car and head out.
He says all hands were on deck.
We had a lot of help. The Rapides Parish Sheriff's Office, the Alexandria PD, LS State Police, the ATF was involved, the Marshals Task Force. Everybody said we're going to get them, and it all came together and we got them.
Police say although they are pleased with how quickly they were able to identify the suspects and make the arrest, they are still concerned that the weapons are still on the streets.
We're turning over every rock trying to find them. We're not going to stop till we do.
Shirley Busico, NBC6 News.
Shirley, thank you. Moore was extradited back to Bossier Parish. Reed is being held in Rapides Parish after authorities found an arrest warrant charging him with attempted murder.